Okay, cool. Hey, man, I appreciate your support every day, man. You are the GOAT. Also, go follow my YouTube page. Basically, every day we're posting the day, that we had trading. But I'm over on TikTok as well. On every single platform, it's All In with Mitch. Suey just broke out. Oh yeah. We're looking bullish this morning. Solana too, I saw this break and I was like, I thought about jumping in it. I really did think about the Suey one too, but I want to go over what we see for this week. I want to go over everything that I see coming into crypto from here on out. Okay? We got a lot of good stuff, and so let's get started. We'll start with Bitcoin. Right now, the Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin itself, we did reach a new high at 124,500. It also depends on where you're trading it, because about all of them hit about 124.5. And we are now seeing what I think is going to happen. We could see a pullback on Bitcoin, maybe back down to 113. Okay, but I see ETH, Solana, and so all the alts running probably, but they could also pull back. But the pullback could be smaller, and then they could be running higher. Bitcoin could just lose some traction. But what I'm seeing and what I'm thinking, right? Obviously, ETH is going higher and higher. It's been leading the way. I watched a video the other day about Solana, and possibly Solana, like you guys saw it go from 162 all the way up to 209. Well, first we came down and then hit 174 and then went higher. Well, it hit 186, pulled back to 174, and then went all of a sudden to 210. And what I think, and what I've been doing research on, is that the Solana ETF is going to get approved very, very, very soon. And when this happens, Solana is going to have a big push, right? Because if we go back to when the ETFs were launched, let's just do Bitcoin, for example. I'm going way too far. I think it was like January of 24. Yep. ETF launch, we went from 39 to 74K. Boom. If I remember right. So we had a huge push, you know what I mean? Yes, we had a correction and then it ran again, but I'm almost positive that, I can't remember the dates for the ETF on ETH. Let's actually just, if you guys aren't using AI by now to help you, and you're still using Google, man, you need some help. When was the ETH ETF launch? July 23rd, 2024. So July 24. Let's go. So I do remember it initially had a bad reaction. So then about November is when but you gotta think all of it being built up. ETH was having a hard time back then though. ETH was really struggling. And for all of you that started buying ETH when it went back down to 1,400 in April, kudos to you. That's a nice little 3x already. But what I'm thinking is Solana, I want to see what it does when it gets to like 220, but I think we're going to stay between these two yellow lines, these daily levels. And what I'm thinking is that, matter of fact, not that I think it's even going to come back down here, but it could. What I'm thinking, guys, is we're gonna see ETH break past 260, 270, and then, you know, obviously 300, 295 is the high. It's gonna go past 300. It's only a matter of time at this point. Sui, you know, we could be seeing another. I'm hoping we break past the 4.3 level. Would love to see Sui get back to $5. XRP just, it's been hovering in this, you know, $3, but you gotta admit it's maintained this $3 to $3.60 level for a very long time. I know it's been kind of boring. But, and then you got things like Hyperliquid that I'm still mad at myself for not getting in. I remember back in April telling you guys at $10, this is a great buy. It was back at entry. Why did I not buy more? I don't know. I really don't. I think Fartcoin as well has major potential to do, like even right now we are seeing some divergence on, still in money flows in the red, but let's go down to the 4 hour, still see the divergence. Honest to God, this could be a strong level for Fartcoin. This is something that I think is a good buy, long term, and not for day trading like this second, but if we can come back down to this 92 cents. But if you were trying to buy this for a long term, I mean, I would say buy some even now. It's not a bad spot. And then Caspa, I'm still wanting this to really get out of this area and get back up to like the 13 cent level. Chainlink, by the way. Chainlink has been doing amazing. And I was, you know, I'm a strong believer in Chainlink. I've been telling you guys for a long time. It is a great project. And it's basically the plumbing to, we are getting up to that 786 level. It's like the plumbing to the city. I've told you guys this before. Like, think of, you know, if you owned an entire city, think that Chainlink would be like the plumbing to the city, okay? So it's very important, and there's nothing that mimics what it does. There's nothing that does what Chainlink does. There's been plenty of coins that kind of duplicate what they do, but not on, they still don't do exactly what they do. You know what I mean? Like, they still just don't. It's not the same. AVAX, Uniswap, waking up. WorldCoin. I really hope WorldCoin can like get back to $2 or so I can get out of this thing. Let's just say I should have never held any more of that shit, but it is what it is. Jupiter, Jupe's been having a very hard time getting back to, let's say, $1. I hope it, I think it will. Jupiter is pretty big. They are big on the Solana network. And I do think, we'll get back to like $2 or so. And, I hold a good amount of Jupiter. I'm a big believer in it. I stake it. Wow, Jito's been not really doing much, huh? Fetch AI. This is another one that I'm hoping can wake up a bit. This is another coin I wish I would have dumped all of it. I was in this very early in 24. Why did I not get completely out of it? I don't know. Aerodrome has been really waking up. Thank God. Aerodrome and the base network has been doing really good. There is actually, let me see something. Momo. It's like Momo or something like that. I could be wrong. This might not be it. Circle, I think, is still a good buy. And then, let me tell you guys one more bullish. It's a stock. Okay. This is a new company. It's a crypto exchange. Oh, wow. So I had a good IPO. This came out last Wednesday. We went up to 117, but I don't think you would have been able to. Yeah, it's not. If this is the right chart, hold on. Let's try a few of them. So that's not anything. Well, that's weird. I'm gonna trust this first one. Okay. And as you guys see, my desk will be, it's finished. I just need to move my computer over to, I need to rearrange this office. Slowly getting everything together, man. Slowly. Let's get Circle up here. Oh, I do have Circle already on here. Whatever. Okay. Look at the Bitcoin dominance just continuing to break down. This is what we want, though. It's a good thing to have the Bitcoin dominance dropping. Let me check the Twitch chat. Okay, so the Bitcoin dominance is continuing to drop. Oh, Pepe is breaking out. Solana's breaking out. Fuck, we should have got into Sui also. We should have jumped into Sui, guys. Oh man, it's running. Nah, I mean, I can't enter that. It's just free fall. I mean, it's just kind of in a weird spot. I can't jump into that. Okay. So yeah, Bitcoin dominance is dropping. Obviously, ETH is pumping. I knew the Solana dominance was going to start picking up. Others, total, that's for the DeFi. Stable coins continuing to drop, just like I've charted up for months and months. Now the total market cap is doing good. We broke out of that resistance. It's now support. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Looking very good. This is what we wanted to see. One other thing I want to look at is Sol/ETH. Well, I guess not slash. The Sol to ETH chart. Let's look at this. So, what I'm expecting is, I think Sol is gonna eventually take control over ETH and start really running, right? Obviously, ETH has been dominant. Let's put this up here, by the way. This is an important chart. And then we're going to go over some memes, too. Why not? Oh, let me show you Injective, by the way. Injective is doing really good. I guess I'll just put that at the top. So Aerodrome's doing really good. Toncoin is not really. Aave. Ondo is starting to kind of wake up. And then look at Injective. Injective is starting to get up there. And then Jasmine. Sonic is, I don't know what's going to happen with Sonic, guys. Curve is continuing to really shine. Quant, Proppy, Helium Network. Where's Render? Oh, it's up here. $4. Okay. Not really doing what I want it to. I figured this one. Brett still, I feel like is gonna be breaking out of there soon. Peanut's not doing shit. Moodang ain't. Moodang did make a comeback though, you gotta admit. SPX. Now this coin, oh, that's a beautiful wick to bounce. Wow. That was a good entry if anyone caught that, $1.30. I still think this coin's gonna do well. Let's look at Pepe on the daily. Yeah, Pepe's, I'm telling you, gonna start waking up. Now, I do know there's better meme coins now, newer ones and stuff. I just haven't been focused on the memes, I'll be honest with you. I have not been even looking at them. Now, the Pump Fund token, I do think is gonna do okay. I really do. Right now we're on the 786 level. We could get that next leg up. Popcat. I think Popcat will still be good. Shit, Popcat's in a good spot on the daily. Dog with Hat, I'm still hoping will make a big comeback. We'll see. This Vine network thing is Pengu. Yeah, Pengu's been. Look at that. Pengu's been killing it. If we get back down to the 618, that'd be a good spot to catch it. I don't think Goat's gonna do shit. Chill guy. Bonk. Bonk is still gonna be a really good token. I've been saying this for a long time. If we can break above this 618 level, it'll be even better. We also got this trend line to break. If we get above this trend line on the daily, this will look really good. Trump token not doing much. They got Doge and Shiba, which have been doing okay. I'm not even in these anymore. Doge is outperforming Shiba. You guys gotta remember, like, the people that are just trying to buy Doge and Shiba, it says $36 billion in market cap, and then this one, Shiba, has 7.8. Like, I don't know, I don't think it's ever gonna get back up to here now. It's not gonna go hit $1 this bull run. Whoever told you that on TikTok is, that ain't happening. You're not gonna get to $1. So, you know, I don't know what it's gonna get to, but it's not gonna hit $1. It would take a lot of money for that. Pepe's doing good. It's hovering. So we just caught this on the breakout, and we will see how this plays out today. I don't know why I even took that little ETH trade, but anyways, all right, guys. I just wanted to catch up on what I see on crypto for the week. Matter of fact, why don't we, hold on. Let's check a few things. Retry. Oh man, my this guy, damn, he called injective. I don't know how he knows which one. He called injective. Not bad. Not bad at all. My computer screen's all bugging out. Oh, I'm not signed in. Okay. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna... Yeah, injective, for whatever reason, today is doing amazing. Aerodrome's doing great too. But I'll talk to y'all later. I appreciate y'all. We will obviously be trading live tomorrow morning. I'll probably have this desk switched with this one by tomorrow morning for sure. I've been putting it off. There's a few more pieces I got put together on it, but it's basically almost done. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all. I will see you tomorrow morning. Peace out.